Hello, my beautiful fam. Dumelang batho ba ntle. Welcome to PananaTV. My name is Monicah Petje. Today I am elevating my coffee station. I want you guys to join me and see how I did it. Please don't forget to leave without liking the video, commenting, sharing, and subscribing if you love it. Let's do this. This is the space that I'm going to be working with, and here on top I'm going to remove all these coffees and teas because you can see through the glass. I'm going to replace them with glasses, and here at the bottom I'm going to remove all these pots and then set up the remaining coffee things down here. Let's do a quick haul. So I bought most of these items at Home Stuff. I bought this tea container at Home Stuff. I don't remember the price. I'll check it and link it here. I also bought this bottle at Home Stuff. I'm gonna use it to store my flowers. You can put it in the kitchen, you can put it in the bathroom, anywhere you like. And then my favorite things, I bought these cups from Le Creuset. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. They were going for 250 each. I bought this color for hubby and myself, and I bought myself a pink one, of course. They look so cute. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. How pretty. This certificate frame or photo frame is from Mr. Price Home. It was going for 49 rand or 50 rand. I absolutely love this glass storage box or set. It is very nice. I'm enjoying it so far. My family is enjoying it. You can use it to put spices and other things. I'm using it for sugar and coffee. I love this capsule stand. It stores up to, I think it's 60. Yes, 60 capsules. Absolutely love it. It is so easy to use, easy to put the capsules, easy to remove them, and it just looks aesthetically beautiful.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the wind.
I bought these glasses for my iced coffees. I bought them from Trends of Today. They are 380 mils. They were going for 49 rand each. I absolutely adore them. They look so pretty. You can have your water in there with some water and lemon. You can have iced coffees. You can have your smoothies, whatever you want. I absolutely love them. I've been looking for these for so long. These are my beautiful syrup glass containers. They are so pretty, so easy to use. I'm obsessed. I bought them from Trends of Today for a set of 2, including the labels. They were going for $3.99.
Distorted flaws, it all gets heavy, sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it, so I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that?
So just to spice up my coffee station, I got the black and white labels online on Google, and then the color one I got it from Canva. I like this one, so I'm gonna put it by the coffee bar upstairs, and then the other one will be downstairs. I might change them later on, I'll just see. I really love how this space has transformed. Everything has been replaced with glasses, wine decanter. There on top is white wine glasses and champagne flutes and the water jar. I have a new home for my hot chocolate, sugar, tea, extra syrups, and all the cups. So they will all be living down here. Ah! Oh my goodness. Pretty. Sure. Such prettiness. Alright guys, I love my coffee station. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, share it with your friend, family, and subscribe. Love you so much. Bye bye.